I join you today from the traditional and unceded territories of the Coast Salish peoples in a city also known as Burnaby in British Columbia in Canada. Currently, I work as the Director of Equity, Diversity and Inclusion at Simon Fraser University, a post-secondary institution here in British Columbia. And it is because of my geographical location that I'm unable to join you all in person today. But I remain grateful to the power of technology that has somewhat collapsed the distance between us and allowed me to provide this briefing notes in my capacity as co-chairperson of the Chevening Alumni Network of Namibia. I'm co-chairperson with my fellow alumnus, Mr. Moses Matai. I'm particularly excited that we are hosting the CANNovation Summit 2023 under the theme of building forward with innovation, unity, and sustainability. I'm grateful to you all for contributing your time and participating in this important conversation today, because governance policies, practices, and decision-making have a significant impact on almost every aspect of life, including healthcare, education, the economy, and the environment. Therefore, solving the socio-economic, environmental, and sustainability challenges of our time is more important than ever if Namibia is to realize her goals as set out in our national agenda and compete effectively in the global arena. And we, as the alumni, believe that it is through robust, attentive engagements, such as this summit, that we can leverage our collective minds, sharpen measures of improvement, assess competing priorities, and evaluate changes in our governance systems to adjust actions and policies to meet intended goals. Indeed, systems of governance, public policy, and practice require concerted attention and collaborative action if they are to remain effective and responsive to the needs of those they seek to serve. Therefore, discussion on our 4 themes is particularly pertinent. The plenary discussion on the economy will tackle complex questions on navigating Namibia's economic horizon through innovation and industrialization. And as our future as a nation is dependent on the quality and caliber of our education system, the education session will show us how to empower minds and build a transformative future that will change Namibia through education for the benefit of her people. Another key priority for today is public health. Indeed, strengthening our public health system has been a matter of social and political debate. So the question is, what fundamental changes are needed to deliver quality health care that is accessible to each and every Namibian? Our final theme on environmental social governance, ESG, will, among other key considerations, focus on the role of the community in driving climate, environmental, and sustainability action. Like all the other 3 themes, the ESG discussion will also be forward-facing, raising questions on what can be done differently to equip future generations to overcome prevailing societal and environmental challenges. We believe that today's robust discussions will go a long way toward galvanizing collective thinking that will shape a brighter future for Namibia and the region. As past recipients of the Chevening Scholarship, we recognize that the ball is as much in our court as it is in the hands of government, the private sector, and in that of every Namibian. And it is for this reason that the Chevening Alumni Network of Namibia pulled together this summit to create space for robust conversation that would generate new ideas, invigorate old ones, and set paths ablaze that may have been dormant. We understand that current complex national challenges require collaboration, decisive leadership, and innovative solutions. So we are particularly grateful to our panelists who have taken time out of their hectic schedules to join us and are readily willing to pour from their overflowing cup of knowledge, experience, and wisdom. Our efforts today are also made possible because of the generous support of many individuals and institutions. I would like to specifically acknowledge and thank the Chevening Scholarship Secretariat, the British High Commission, the Capricorn Group, and Footsteps of Namibia for supporting and sponsoring this event. I also extend my gratitude to my predecessors who laid the groundwork and led the alumni through its growing days and years. Indeed, we stand on the shoulders of giants, and the baton was passed on to us by great leaders such as Ms. Bertha Amakali and Ms. Vicky Mashila. We value their leadership, commitment, and dedication to ensuring that the alumni thrive and continue to grow. I also would like to thank and acknowledge all our past and present Chevening officers, including Mr. Hans Christian Manke, Ms. Naomi Boyce, and Ms. Luimba Mufune. Thank you for your dedication and support to the alumni. To conclude, the road ahead for Namibia requires a united effort across many actors, policymakers, practitioners, researchers, and thought leaders who are energized to create change that will raise the boat of all Namibians. Not only does the stability of the nation depend on it, but the realization of our collective socio-economic success demands that we work together, arm in arm, to move Namibia and her people forward. This requires ideas that advances new ways of doing things, systems of governance that are robust and effective, and respect for the rule of law. During this summit, you will not only gain an enhanced understanding of these pivotal topics, but also a unique blend of theoretical knowledge and real-world applications. I urge you to take this opportunity to immerse yourself in the challenges of our day and to leave this summit with a sense of renewed empowerment, ready to tackle these challenges and contribute to building an innovative, united, and sustainable future for Namibia. Thank you. Have an amazing summer.